Good morning, guys. What are we doing?
Going to Walmart or something.
Going to Walmart or something? So we are traveling there, so we are going shopping. Right now, you guys, we are going through all the stuff and see what stuff we are going to keep and what stuff we are throwing away and cleaning up a little bit because there's a big style. So yeah, that's what we're doing, cleaning up. New recipe, you guys, looks so good. I just have to add the cheese, so that's what I'm doing next. There's the finished touch. It looks so good, you guys. Hopefully it tastes good too. Woo! What's your pick?
It's good. I'm gonna add sour cream though.
Okay, add sour cream then.
Are you filming me?
Yeah.
Oh. You like my hair, guys?
Add some sour cream. Hey guys, so we are watching. What are we watching? Cars. Woo! I haven't seen it for a while. Have you?
I've never seen it.
Really? Never seen it?
No.
What's wrong with you? When did it come out? That was a long time. But I have the DVD. That's pretty sad that she hasn't seen Cars, but I have.
I don't think that anyway.
So that's what we are watching.
The race is only one lap, guys. Uno lapo. Don't need any help. I work solo mio. Fun, but as you, right?
I love that
No
one
pit
guy.
stopo. Comprendo? Okay.
So I hope you guys enjoy this episode. If you guys do, give it a big thumbs up and tell me in the comments what you guys want me to do tomorrow with a brand new video. Goodbye.